Each clip isn't just an incident, it's a lesson. This video has been created for educational purposes, featuring original text-based commentary to help you understand every moment more clearly.
Oh my god!
Badass driver.
And we're recording.
That was cool.
Fuck!
Dude, that was like Need for Speed type shit.
That was it. I was really.
Solo tengo soledad, ya no puedo ver, aunque yo pensé
Fuck, bro. Oh, man, what the fuck?
That's what he got.
You stupid mother.
Get a job, you fucking slobs, all he replied. God forbid you had to walk a mile in his shoes. Then he really might know what
Oh,
I'm
shit.
saying.
Fuck. Oh my god.
Then you really
Holy shit. And he's back on the road. Oh my god. What the fuck is this guy doing?
Wow. Ôi, quá ghê quá cuộn.
I would go down the street and feel like everyone who looked at me could see what I was going through. Like they were peering into my soul, seeing the rape and the doubts and the confusion. Like my eyes were these windows into the most tightly held secret of my life. I would dream of killing it, chopping his cock off.
Representative Roman, you were one of 30 or so uncommitted delegates at the DNC, but after weeks of talks with organisers,
What the fuck, man?
tell you about why you
What the fuck, dude?
I actually was not a delegate. I was there.
What are you doing, man?
Actually there for a panel with Arab American Institute.
You know why? Because no one in recorded history has ever said, "Oh, take your time, just whenever you can get to it." We just assume how fast can you get here will always be the answer. So Castile will be there same day, and we won't. You know why? Because no one in recorded history has ever said, "Oh, take your time, just whenever you can get to it." We just assume how fast can you get here will always be the answer. So Castile will be there same day, and we won't leave until you're 100.
Slide in. They tell you it's union, but it's Confederate. This podcast is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace gives you everything you need to offer services and get paid. Just say I need it. Drive it towards the right. Some of the incendiary horse pics that I've seen, including Steve Bannon on a Clydesdale. One of the worst I saw was Ivanka Trump inside of a mare. And I know that this is not the direction that I saw horsepics.com, and that little boy, I didn't know that he'd become a full-fledged Nazi and grow his hair into broccoli shapes and do all sorts of things I don't understand, which is why I've started emupaintings.com. Thank you, Squarespace, because emupaintings.com is really, it's an exceptional way for me to get you.
Fuck yeah! Oh, they got him! They got him!
To just be patient than it is to pick the right stocks every single day. And I think some people nature nurture, some people like probably Ronald Reagan.
RLB 5950.
Speed up, it's a fucking highway, you fucking moron.
Yeah, there she goes.
/MSNBC.
Denver 911, do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police immediately. I'm hoping not medical, but this lady's.
What's the address?
We're on 13 going southbound, and she is driving in the median, hitting all the snowbanks and everything.
If you enjoy real footage and videos full of life lessons like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, let us know in the comments if something like this has ever happened to you.
Liverpool.